Hey, welcome back for the next episode in the series on the Goliath platform. Today we're going to talk about the deal pipeline board. The deal pipeline board is completely customizable based on your strategies. You can do listings, you can do buy side referrals, you can do fix and flips and wholesales, really customizable to whatever it is you want to do. To create a new pipeline, simply enter a new pipeline name, then add the stages. If you have existing pipelines you want to switch up, click on the Manage Pipelines page. Click on the Edit Pipeline view, and you can edit the stages directly within the pipelines. Inside the pipelines and the stages, you have deals. Deals, as you can see here, are attached to a person and a property, but also have a bunch of other additional information, like the tasks and the notes, details related to the property, if there are any of the properties related to this specific one in question, as well as team and splits. So what do we think the deal is worth? How much do we think we're going to make? So on and so forth. All of that information is completely customizable from this right-hand section here. And when you've decided that a deal can move on to the next stage in your pipeline, drag and drop it into the next. If you'd like to add a new deal directly to the deal board, you can do so doing this. Simply give it a title, add it to a specific pipeline. If there's a property attached, you can add that as well. Tag it to a specific contact, add an amount and a description, team splits, and whoever else is working on the deal, and you're off to the races. Last thing I'll show you up here on the top right is the deal filters. Deal filters can be used to filter down the specific deals to things that you are looking for. So in this case, we have a few here on the left in different deal boards. We can apply a filter related to contacts or who created the deal, or when that deal was added, or if the deal was accessed. That's deal pipeline and deal tracking board. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to support@goliathdata.com. Thanks so much for watching.